Sunnies, welcome back to my channel. It's Day back again with another Vlogmas video. It is Vlogmas Day 6 and I literally kind of just got home from work. I literally looked at some recipes, ran to the store, and now I'm back home. It was a lot, but I'm back home. I'm about to make some dinner. I'm so freaking hungry after a long day of work. But yeah, right now I'm gonna get ready to make some pasta. I'm gonna try to make this pasta as festive as I can. My original thought was to do green and red bell peppers with the pasta, kind of like Rasta pasta. They didn't have any in the store, so we're gonna do spinach and tomato, and I'm gonna add in some mushroom for the extra razzle dazzle. And I also bought some things for a holiday sweet treat. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop into it. We're gonna start making the pasta. I have the water boiling, and then I have the pan ready for the chicken that I just cleaned, and it is ready to go. About to get down in this kitchen, baby. Let's do it. Okay, so now that we have the chicken on the stove, all seasoned and cooking, I'm going to simultaneously work on the pasta and the dessert at the same time. So I'm gonna have my chicken cooking for a little minute. I like juicy chicken. That was the purpose of doing like the chicken broth. And I just love when my chicken sits in the chicken broth and really just absorbs that juice. So yeah, we're gonna let that cook, and then I'm going to work on this pastry that I found on TikTok. I'm going to insert it here. But yeah, I want to try this little pastry out. I thought it was kind of easy and really cute to do. So we're going to try that out. So yeah, we're going to try that out tonight. I usually always have like a little sweet tooth. So I definitely want to see if I can execute this cute little sweet treat tonight. Let's see. Okay, so this is everything that I'm going to be using. And then I'm gonna try to do like different ones, like an original one with marshmallow and one with strawberries. Let's see. Also have these shapes, so I'm going to use these as well. I bought these last year and I don't think that I used them, but we're gonna use them today.
pull up an ice block and lend an ear.
I did the shaped ones, and then this was leftover, so I just did like a ball of marshmallow and Hershey's. So let's put this in the oven and then work on the other ones. Was just so big and so greedy and so impatient that the only snowflake that I made, I took a bite trying to taste it, and I literally have been eating it. So this is the second batch. I put strawberries and Nutella in these, and I'm gonna finish this one. Last night, apparently, I don't know if I was just so tired after working and then running all those errands to all them different stores, but literally I took maybe like 6 bites of y'all, I took maybe like 8 bites of pasta. I kid you not. It was only a couple of bites and I literally fell asleep. Like, same clothes, everything. Do you see the mascara under my eyes? Like, I literally fell asleep. Like, I don't know if it was the food that knocked me out or it was just the fact that I was so tired, and after I ate, like, my mind and my body was just like, it's a wrap. Cut the cameras. But yeah, we just gonna chalk it up to that food was good. I didn't even try the teddy bear desserts. I'm gonna do that today. But I didn't even try them with the ice cream. I bought vanilla ice cream and everything. When I say knocked out, it is now 10 o'clock in the morning and I'm about to get up. But I can't believe it. Like, I'm shook. These are the cute little bears right before the powdered sugar. So freaking cute. All the other shapes didn't really come out as planned. I think the gingerbreads are kind of cute. But these are the other little ones that I'm going to put powdered sugar on. I'm obsessed with the teddy bears. I'm literally obsessed with the teddy bears. They're so freaking cute. Like, look at them. Oh, too cute. Okay, so this is how it looks with the powdered sugar. I don't like aesthetically how it looks, but I'm sure it tastes phenomenal. I am gonna pair it with a little of this ice cream, so yeah. I am gonna pair one of these with some of this ice cream as well, and then these are how the other ones turned out. I like the way these look aesthetically, because the shapes aren't so like defined. But we have the gingerbreads, the 2 balls that I told you I made out of the remaining dough, and then that was supposed to be a sock or a stocking or whatever. And then this is another gingerbread, but it's not as defined.
you every night. Dream of you every. Can I help it if I dream of you every night? Dream of you every. Can I help it if I dream of you? If I dream of you, dream of you.